Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your medical mutual insurance card, setup guide step by step clearly. To activate your medical mutual insurance card, start by locating your card. Make sure you have your personal information ready, including your member ID number. Visit the medical mutual website using a computer or smartphone. Once on the site, look for the member login option at the top right corner. Click on Member Login to access the login page. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you are a new user, look for the Register or Sign Up option and click on it. You will need to provide your member ID number and some personal information to create your account. Follow the prompts to complete your registration. After registering, log into your account with your new credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Activate Insurance Card section. Follow the instructions provided on that page to activate your card. You may need to enter additional information for verification purposes. After submitting all necessary information, wait for a confirmation message. This message will indicate that your card has been successfully activated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for additional help. You can find their contact information on the website under Support or Contact Us. Once activated, your card will be ready for use in medical services. Make sure to keep your card safe and readily available whenever you visit a healthcare provider. That concludes the activation process for your medical mutual insurance card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.